Welcome everybody to another 360 adventure. This time, we're at Disney World's Winter Summerland Mini Golf. And now for some family rules. The winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if the hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. Plus, we have a couple other rules, but we won't get into that. As of now, here is the score. Now let's get into it.
What's up? Snowman here with the green ball Sandra taking a good shot towards it. Going to be stopping right in front of the camera, as you can see right there. Next up is going to be Louise or Nan. Which are going to be taking a shot right here. Going to be hitting it very softly.
Oh, Nan's got a new idea. Look at that. Look at that.
To the other side, going to be having two opposite balls going down.
This is a hole one. This is a hole one.
Oh, come on. That was right at the...
Oh, hang on. Patient. Oh. Jacob. Amazing shot.
Thank you.
Going to be taking a nice shot here, taking her time as she always does. Hitting it quite hard. We're going to be taking it right over the hole. Saying
Look at this. Look at this. Oh, this is not looking good. Oh, no. Sandy got
Saboteur. Hit his ball.
You should try it back. I tried.
All right, Sandy,
I'm
your
still
way.
this.
Yes.
Oh God.
Jacob.
That's two for him. That's a. The hole is killed.
Different Canadian rules. Yeah.
The hole is killed. There we go.